Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transform text to voiceover in multiple languages in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC versions and don't forget to sign in and start by click apps and click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to search the multilingual created by autopilot. Create voiceover in multiple language. You can break language barriers in effortlessly with multilingual app. So simply enter text in any language to generate a voiceover in your desired language. Click use in new design. And here you can enter text in any language to translate and create voiceover. This is the script and this is the speaker language you can choose. Here for example, let's try with the German. Speaker, you can choose male by Alexander, female Berta, male Bruno, and female Victoria. Let's try the female one. And here the script, for example, let's try let's eat and generate voiceover. Please wait, this can take a few moments. Here, multilingual has successfully uploaded media to our library. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.
Lass uns essen. Lass uns essen. Lass uns essen. Lass uns essen.